Ya, ngiyanizwa lapho ku-Facebook ukuthi nithini ngomuntu wami. Ake niyikhini indeke ningitshele mase niqedile ukuthi seziyakhala manje. Nithini? Ninto sengijile. Hey, akasakali kanje asivele siyolala mbhemu ngeke. Hayi asahambe. Uyonginika.
Hello guys and welcome to Khabula the Tea, the only channel where we sip tea and do not judge, okay? So we're back again. It's been a while, but I am back with more tea. Hi, Keke. Do you guys remember when uMaNgcwabe was throughout the season of Uthando Nesithembu kept on reminding us that she is living Umusa Mseleku. She is tired of this Thembu story and she no longer wants to be a part of it. And we were all convinced that uMaNgcwabe has checked out. She doesn't want to participate in this whole Uthando Nesithembu, this Mseleku family, and she's going to divorce Umusa Mseleku. She's going to leave. And most people were so happy for her, including myself. I was very happy because there's a lot that's going on with Uthando Nesithembu. There's a lot that's going on around Umusa Mseleku and his wives and his family. So I was like so happy for her that finally one of them is going to stand up and leave. I think it was all just for cameras because here they are on social media, all lovey-dovey and being inappropriate because her sticking out her tongue like that and what Musa Mseleku is saying as well, it doesn't portray that MaNgcwabe that we saw on Uthando Nesithembu. It's giving us another image. So ngiyayibuza ukuthi, was it real? Was she really angry? Was she really checked out of the marriage and the Mseleku family? Was it all real or was it just for us to watch, to keep us entertained on the Uthando Nesithembu season? So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. We engage here. Please do use the thanks button. Appreciate the channel so we can continue to make more videos for you. From me, I will see you on the next one. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel and share it on your social media platform. Invite more people to be part of the Khabula Tea family. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.